So these are the products that I use to get whiter teeth. First, we're going to brush our teeth because you can't have clean teeth without brushing. This is the floss that I like to use. Finally, the 3D whitening strips. So I'm going to be showing you how to apply these strips to your teeth. So you're going to peel them off the packages and then put them on dry teeth and then fold them in. And then we're going to do the same thing to the bottom teeth. Make sure to dry the bottom teeth with your finger or a towel to get the saliva off so it is easier for the 3D strips to stick on. Now we will wait for 30 minutes and then we will take them off, and this is how you will take them off. Then you will rinse your teeth with water, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Peace.